sisters, and I am back again for the second time today. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get 2 videos out a week, so same day video. I don't know which one I'm gonna put out first though. So. We're going to be trying this mango Pepsi. So let's get it in. Let's taste it and see what it's about. I have to smell the mango. I can taste the mango. I don't know if y'all heard that, but my stomach's growling, which is weird because I already ate. Well, I already ate, so I don't know why. Anyway. Okay. So I could taste the mango right off the bat. At first, I was gonna be like, it's nothing but mango. But then when I got the second sip, I could taste the Pepsi. So it's a really good, pretty good blend if you want something like Pepsi and if you want something fruity. You see? Excuse me. Crap, I'm trying to see if you can see the purple now. Yeah, this one's purple. Y'all, I had straightened my hair and I wish I would have paid somebody to do it, but since I straightened it, it made it easier for me to put these beads in my hair, which you can see where my hair stops at right here. Braid. I caught myself trying to cut my ends with it, which I probably should have cut it more, which y'all probably don't care about that. This is not a hair video. Don't care about what this soda tastes like, and maybe a couple of burps. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do my hair for these pictures. I could have sworn I had a ponytail holder in my hand, but I guess I didn't. That was a little bit better. Dang, the sun is killer back here. I didn't even realize it. I'm bored. And I want to burp again. And my lights were still changing all these different colors and I never fixed it. Oh crap, I can tell that I gained weight. I can see it in my face. Only because my face looks more rounder now. And at first my face looked a little bit more slimmer. And I need to do better, like I said, though. There's a kid at my door. Hey! Go! Okay, here you go. Go! Yeah! Oh my gosh, there's another little person.
Where'd you want that?
Why are you trying to give one to my drink?
Mom. I like soda.
Share with her. Share with your sister.
I don't drink that.
Drink what?
Drink that.
Oh, no. You can't drink that. That's a... No! That is an adult drink. That's not a kid drink. We need to cut your wristband off yours too. Your wrist. They went to the fair.
I went for the fair.
When was that? Thursday. You know you gotta share with her better than that. Winter's trying to see. No, you can't see, Winter. You can't. No. Nope. No, Imani, you can't see. Ooh. Oh yeah, that was loud. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go because they're starting to shake the camera and she's really trying to look. Apparent. Really, get out. No. All right, you guys. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I gave my opinion on the drink. Would I buy it again? I don't know. Because I really need to stop drinking soda. So. All right. Bye.